Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time joining, my name is Chidima. In this video, I'm going to be sharing few tools that you can use when you're starting your weight loss journey. In a video that I recently posted, I recommended that if you're starting your weight loss journey, it's good for you to track your progress. So taking pictures of yourself and of course measuring yourself using a measuring tape. So you can get this tape anywhere. It's a pretty cheap one. I think you can get it from any fabric store or any regular store should have this. You have to measure your arms, so just take your tape like this. I can't believe I'm showing you how to take measurements, but yeah, wrap it around your arms. Or if you have someone to help you out, that's even better. So just wrap it around your arms. What I notice some people do is like they make it really tight because they don't want to see the reality, but just leave it at like the neutral. Don't put any space in between, just let it be as it is and record that. You don't also take measurements of your boobs, so just put it here like so and make sure it's not too tight, it's just fitted, and just take the measurement. Another place I also try to keep a record of is my waist, and this was like very important to me. I'll just show you here. So you put the tape measure here. No need to like suck in your tummy. Don't suck in your tummy, just let it be as it is and take your measurement so it's not tight. What I do, just a few inches above your belly button, like a quarter inch above your belly button, and that's your natural waistline. And you can also, if you have like fupa, you can also take measurements of this part of your tummy as well. So just do this, take the measurement. And you can also measure your ass or your hips. So wrap it around your butt, around this place. I'm just trying to stretch so you see it. So wrap it around like this and don't make it too tight or too loose, and take your measurements. So that's basically what you want to do. Then take pictures of yourself, maybe put on your undies if you're comfortable, but something quite tight fitting to your body. Take pictures of yourself, weigh yourself on a scale. I don't have one here now, but just weigh yourself. The next now I'll be showing you are the things you should use to measure your food, and also how to count calories. I think it's best to use a food scale. So I have one here. There are different types. It could either come like this, or it has this little bowl where you put in your food. See, mine is broken. I've used it a lot. So what you want to do is, if you don't have this, don't worry, there's ways around it. You don't really need to get the one with the bowl. You can just use your own plate. Another thing you'll be needing is your measuring cups. So you can choose to do portion control if you want, but if you don't know what exactly a cup is of what it is you're eating, you might still tend to overeat. With the measuring cup, like I think it differs sometimes, or you might just go like fill it up to the brim, it's heaped, and sometimes it might not be that accurate. So I just prefer to use my food scale here. Next, I'll be showing you how to read calories from the label of your food or the packaging of your food. So I have this pasta here. It's kind of inverted, but I have this spaghetti. Usually on the label, most food companies just put the calories for 100 grams, so it's left for you to calculate it yourself. For instance, this one has, you see something per 100 grams, 365 calories. I don't know if you can see it, it's somewhere here, but just check the labeling of your own food. So it's showing 365 calories per 100 grams, and this total package is 500 grams. You can see it says 500 grams. So if you're not really sure, if you're not knowledgeable enough, you probably think the whole thing is 325 grams. What you should do if you don't have a food scale is, this is already 500 grams, so you can share this into 5 different portions. so that's like 100 grams each. Or if you're taking like 125 grams, actually it's written here that one pack equals 4 servings, so that should be 125 gram per serving. So you can just divide this into 4 and check the calories if you don't have a food scale. So divide this in half and divide that half into another half, and you have it. So another thing I'll share is for drinks. Usually most drinks come in like 500 ml or whatever size it comes in. This one is 50 cl, which is about 500 ml. Is a Sprite lemon drink. I've had this for a while and it's just been in the fridge. I'll probably just drink it today. So if you check the calories, it's 36. I don't know if you can see it, but I'll put it up on the screen. It's 36 calories per 10 cl, so that's 36 calories per 100 ml. That's how most drinks come. A serving is like how much you should take. They don't usually put the calories for everything. So you might see something written energy. Here it's written energy 154 kg. So kg, it's kilojoules, I think. It's different from kcal, kilocalories, I think. But that's why you should be looking at the one written kcal, not the one written kg, because the kg one is usually higher. I think it's just a conversion. Here they have per 25 cl, the energy is 90 calories. It's written here. 90 calories. So you should definitely check out whatever your own drink contains to see how many calories is in. Just always remember that whatever you see at the back is usually not the calories for the whole thing. So you need to do your own calculation. You should also check the individual nutrients it contains. So here you have per 25 cl, they wrote energy 90 calories, sugars 2.2, fat 0, and sodium 23, saturates 0. Same thing with rice. I have this brown basmati rice here. They also have the calories here per 100 grams. It's somewhere here. So per 100 grams, this is 350 calories. This whole pack is 2 kg. So if you don't have a scale, it's going to be a lot of work, but you'd have to measure this out. That would be, I think, 20 times to get 1 serving. Alternatively, use the scale, like I said, like a billion times. Get yourself a scale and use it to measure. Most times I just take 120 calories per serving. So you can check your daily recommended calories to see how many calories you can consume for anything. If really you're measuring your food, you can eat anything you want to eat. So it's left for you to choose to either take this drink, which is not the best option, or take something healthier. So you control your calories. You're in control of what you're eating. So if you have 1,500 or 1,800 calories to eat in a day to lose weight, you're in control of that. You are the one to make your choice. I'm going to show you how to impute that in the app, MyFitnessPal, that I use. Make healthier choices where you're liberty to choose whatever you want to eat, provided it's still within that bracket of your daily recommended calories. Simple. You don't need to starve yourself in the morning or eat once a day. You can eat 3 times a day. You can eat 5 times a day. Just take food that would fill you up more instead of taking things that would make you feel hungry, like in the next hour, and you probably want to take sweet things. That's why I said, even if you're craving something you haven't eaten for a while and you just want to eat that thing, you can go ahead and eat it. You know how many calories it contains, so eating it just that day is not going to set you back. It's not going to put back all the weight that you've been trying to lose. So yeah, you have the whole world in your hands to choose the food you want to eat. Now let me show you how to use a food scale. Pretty straightforward. I apologize for interrupting you. Before I go on with the next part of this video, if you haven't watched the video on how to calculate your daily calories, that is to know how much food you should be eating in a day to lose weight, please check that out in the description box. It is also going to show on your screen right now, so you can watch it after this video. This is your food scale. You just put it on. So there are different units. I usually use grams. You just press here. You can use this or this, pounds or kg or grams. I use grams most of the time. I haven't opened this up, but if you have pasta and you want to measure, obviously you would open it and put it in here. Take out whatever portion you want, and you see it's showing you how many grams it is, 506. So if you wanted 100 grams, you just take out what you need and put it in here. Now I want to show you why I said using a scale is better than using a cup. So this is half cup here, but you can see I filled it to the brim. I don't think I'm supposed to fill it up to this point because there's like a level, but I can say this is half cup of rice, but I'm not accounting for the extra or how much I've heaped it up. But if you're using a food scale, see this is at 0 now, and you put it in, you get the accurate weight of what you want to eat. So this is 84 grams. I don't know how much half cup is supposed to weigh, but it's just better to use a scale so you get the accurate measurement of what you're eating. And again, I know that sometimes this one that comes with the plate is a little bit expensive, but you can just get this scale. You can get it for cheap. Let me show you what you do. So this is your scale, and you want to use your regular bowl. If I place this here, see it's showing me the weight of the bowl. What you can do is to zero it. So I'll put it back to 0, meaning it's just there's nothing on it yet. And then I can put this back in, put in whatever it is you want to measure, and it should give you the same thing. Don't mind me, some of them poured out. But yeah, that's basically how to do your measurements. And whatever it is you want to measure, that's how you go about it. I hope you found that useful. Thank you so much for watching. That's all I have for you today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you found this video useful, and leave a comment if you have any question or you have any feedback. I'll be pleased to read it. Bye.